Now we're going to do jalapeno poppers. And Lucy has pre-prepared and made these for us. And by that I mean she went to the store to pick them up for me because they're already made. So being a food expert, I would know that you cook them at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check the internal temperature at 165. I know that, being a food expert, because it's on the back. It's right there for you. Easy. We make it so easy at Schnucks for you to find these, put them on the grill, and impress everybody with your family and friends. Pop them open. It's at 400 degrees. Just line them up and go. You turn them and check them about every 2 or 3 minutes, making sure the bacon doesn't flame up and burn. And then, like I said, internal temperature of 165. And then we're ready to eat. The bacon wrap jalapeno poppers are done. They've been on the grill for about 20 minutes. Turn them about every 3 or 4 minutes, just to make sure they get evenly done on all sides. Here's the did you know tip on these. Did you know that you need to make 4 more than you think you need to make? Because they are so good, everybody's going to want another one. So be sure that you get plenty and get an abundance of these. Just look at that.